What is up guys, this is Grant from Cyber and you're watching the product review of the DJI Spark in 2020. DJI is the world leading manufacturer of commercial UAVs, commonly known as drones, for the use of aerial photography and videography. They also designed and manufacture camera gimbals, action camera, camera stabilizer, flight platforms, and propulsion systems. As everyone knows, DJI is the dominant market leader in the civilian drone industry. Its camera drone technology has been used widely for the music, television, and film industries. Just a little bit of disclaimer, I'm not really techno-savvy when it comes to this type of things, so let's get into it. The original Spark was released April 15, 2017. And the question now, is the DJI Spark still worth using this year? Well, for small travel vloggers like me, in my case, I would have to say yes. And here's why. Let's start with the camera. Spark has a 12 megapixel camera that has a video resolution of 1920 by 1080, but shots only in JPEG. As you might have seen, some of my videos are mainly shot with the Spark, because it is the only camera that I have that flies and is stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal. Not much, but still smooth as butter. Moving on to the next feature. We have Spark's intelligent flight modes. I mainly use active track. This allows you to let your drone follow a subject without having to touch the control sticks. All you need to do is to draw a box around your subject and press go. Then the drone automatically follows the subject wherever it goes, not unless it loses track of it. Since the drone has a built-in obstacle avoidance sensor, you really don't need to worry about running into things, since it will bring your drone to a complete stop if an obstacle is detected. It also has GPS to track its flight path, and it also enables your drone to return to its home point when its battery is running low, or when it loses signal from its transmitter, or when you decide to fly it back to you autonomously. Spark is also small and weighs only 300 grams. Each battery can also last a maximum of 15 minutes flight time on a full charge, which is just enough to capture B-rolls. And it also has palm control. I don't really use this feature that much, but it allows you to control your drone with a palm or hand gesture and land it just like this. So that wraps it up for today. How about you? Would you use the DJI Spark? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.